Want to get in the car and the nice air
No,
conditioning?
I'm not getting.
Listen.
No. No, I'm not getting in the car with you.
Listen.
No, I can't.
No, listen to me. Listen to me. You don't have a choice, okay? You don't have a choice. You can't stand here all day. Alright? I'm gonna walk with you to the car. I'm gonna talk to your dad separate, okay?
No, I don't want to go.
You have to do it. You don't have a choice. You don't have a choice. The judge is telling you have to go. I don't want to have to do. I don't want to have to grab you, put you in the car, and think that you have to go. I don't want to do that. Okay? You have to do it. I know it's hard, but remember we talked about this, right? Remember? What do you think's gonna happen? You can't go with your mom. You can't stand out here in the hot sun all day. You can't run away. You have to do it. We just talked about it, okay? You gotta be brave. You gotta be strong. And you got to walk. I don't. Listen, do you want me to grab you and throw you in the car? I don't want to do that. You don't have a choice. You do not have a choice. I told you that. This isn't where you say no and you can just not get in the car.
I don't feel safe over there. I don't want to go.
Listen to me. It's a lawful order from a judge. Sophia, if you go in negative thinking like this, it's going to be negative. I told you that, remember? Remember that? Listen, Sophia, listen to me. It's no different than if you were out and you had a warrant for your arrest or something and the judge says you have to go, then I have to make sure you go. So this isn't something I could just let you just stand here or go with your mom. Like, you have to go. It's not a choice. It's the same as you breaking the law.
I'm not breaking any laws.
I'm telling you, look at me, please.
No, I'm not.
Please.
No.
Because this isn't something where you think you can just stand here and it'll just go away. You understand? You have a police officer standing here telling you to do something, right? This isn't a game. This isn't your parents. This isn't anything like that. This is serious. I'm telling you, you have to go. Okay? You're not going to stand here and cry. You can't do that. You have to go. I'm not going to stand here arguing with you whether you're going or not. You have to go. We all have things to do. There's people out there that need me, that need help. There's crimes happening and I can't stand here all day and go back and forth. There's only one route this goes. You have to go. So let's start walking. I'm not going to stand here with you. You have to go. And if not, I have to grab you and put you in the car. I don't want to do that. So we have to go. Come on.
No, I
don't want to embarrass you. Do you want to be? I don't want to. You have to go. You do not have a choice. You have to go. This isn't a back and forth. You have to go. So please start walking. Please. I'm begging you to do that. Nobody wants anyone to get hurt or anything bad to happen. All you have to do is walk. And standing on the other side from your dad doesn't help.
I'm not going.
You're not what?
I'm not going.
You have to go. You don't have a choice. Listen to me. You don't have a choice. I don't want to pull you and take you. You have to go. Okay? I'm telling you, you're going. You have to go. Come on. It's either you go with him or I have to take you and make you go with him. You have to go with him.
I'm not going with him.
What do you think's gonna happen?
I don't know, but I'm not going with
No,
him.
it's not you don't know. I'm gonna pick you up and put you in the car if you say no. Do you want that to happen?
I don't want to go with him.
It doesn't matter. I'm gonna pick you up and put you in the car. Do you want that to happen? Do you want that to happen? That's what's gonna happen.
I'm not going with him.
Okay, do you want me to pull you and put you in the car? I have to do it. I don't have a
I'm
choice.
not going.
I don't have a choice. You
I'm
have
not
to go.
Going.
You have to go.
No.
You do not have a choice. Why do you think you have a choice? Why? Why do you think you have a choice? You think you can just sit here and cry and not go? You have to go.
Get away from me.
No,
Get away from me.
Don't talk to him like that. Do not
Oh my god, I'm not going to be treated this way. No, get away from me.
Sophia. Look at me. Do you think? Look at me. Do you see all those kids in that van over there? Do you see all the kids in the van over there? Did you just forget everything we talked about inside, or no?
I'm not going. I
Look
can't.
at me, I'm talking to you.
No, I can't.
You don't have a choice. Look at me. Sophia. So you're not going to look at me now? You're acting like a kid. You're acting like you're 5 years old. You're not 5 years old anymore. It's not right. This isn't like yesterday or the other day where they say, oh, you can stay. Your mom is nowhere near here. She's not coming.
Well, I'm not going with him,
So
so
where do you want to go? Do you want to go in a group home?
I'm not going with him.
You said you want to go to a group home.
I'm not going with him.
I'm talking to you. Do you want to go to a group home? Do you see the van with like 20 kids in there?
He's fired. He's gone.
I can take you there. You want to go there? Huh?
I'm not going.
I just told you. You want to go with the group home? You want to go there? Huh? You think you're going to stand out here all day? I'm talking to you. Look at me when I'm talking to you. This is crazy. You got me standing over here and you're looking at the ground, treating me like I'm some child. Don't do that. You don't want to go so bad, but you don't want to go to a group home with 20 girls where they all have bunk beds in the room, so you want to go there? Because that's where you're going to end up, I'm telling you right now. You can go to a place where you have your own room, your own bed, or you can go to a place with 20 girls all loaded up in the house. That's your only two options. Which one do you want? Because it's not your mom. I guarantee you you're not going with your mom. I guarantee you that. And you know what you're only making it harder on? Your mom. Because when the judge sees this and you're acting like this, you're going to stay with your dad even longer. So what's your choice? You want to go to a group home? 20 other girls? You tell me, because I can't leave until you do one of the two. Which one do you want?
I'm not going to either.
Alright, nope. What do you think is going to happen then? What do you think is going to happen then?
I don't care, but I'm not going to either.
You don't care? So you don't want, you just want to do what you want and think whatever you want is going to happen. Is that what you think? You don't want to go to a group home. That's where, you know who's going to get called, right? Department of Child Safety. And you know what's going to happen? They're just going to throw you in with 20 other kids. And they will literally hold you down and take you there. Or you can go to a nice, comfortable bed. Those girls are not nice.
Please stop.
They fight all the time. They beat each other up.
Please,
Stop what?
Please stop talking to me like
Nope,
this.
it doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way. You don't have a choice. If you want to just stand here all day, all night, that's not going to happen. Because then the school is going to want you trespass from here. And that's just a criminal charge. Do you want a criminal charge? No. Then you can't even attend school here anymore. Because you won't leave the property when they ask you to leave. You're escalating everything for no reason. It can be all so simple.
No, it's not.
But what do you expect is going to happen?
I don't care. I'm not going.
Well, you tell me. No, you tell me. Because you're not going to stand here.
Please.
Give me a solution.
Please stop
I'm not
talking to me
stopping.
like
Nope,
that.
I'm not.
Please.
I'm not.
Please.
You got to go up.
Oh my God.
You have to. You can't. We're not going to get arrested. We're not. Period. See, you're just going to embarrass yourself, have everyone stare at you walking out. You're just embarrassing yourself and making it cool out here.
Please stop. Please stop talking to me like that.
Stop talking. You're not going to get out of it. You're just not.
I'm not going with you. I'm not going. Get away from me.
I'm not touching you.
I said get away from me.
Well, there's 12 of you, but she said she can't speak. I can speak. Very happy. I'm like, fine.
I'm not going.
You have to. You
No.
have a police officer telling you you have to.
No.
The court is saying you have to.
I don't care. I
You're not
don't.
above the law.
I'm not going. And if you put my hands on me, I'm gonna call 911.
That's fine. Because they know very well what's going on.
I'm not. No, I'm not going.
How many police reports do you think there already are?
I'm not going.
I cannot leave now.
I'm not going.
The question is, are you going to get the car on your own, or am I going to have to take it?
I'm not going.
Because I'm within my rights to make you.
I'm not going with you. I'm not going with you. I've said it very nicely many times, but you continue not to listen to me.
If it can't happen, it can't happen.
I'm not going with you.
Well, we're going to go now. Alright, come on.
I'm not going with you. Get your hands off me. I'm not going with you. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Don't touch me. Get away from me. Stop. Stop. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh, stop. Oh, stop. Let go of me. Let go. I'm not going with you. Stop. Stop. Ow. Ow.
I'm not
Stop. You're violating me. You're pulling my hair. Let go. I'm not going with you. I'm not. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. I'm not going with you. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Stop. Stop. I'm not. Stop. Get your hands off me. Stop. 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 I'm not going with you. Stop. 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 No, I'm not. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Stop. Get your hands off me. No. Get your hands off me. Ow. Get your hands off me. Stop. No. Stop. No, I'm not getting in the car. No. No. I'm not getting in the car. I'm not getting in the car. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Stop touching me. Ow. Stop. Stop. I'm not coming with you. Stop touching me. Stop. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me. Get your hands off me! Get your hands off me! Get your hands off me! Stop touching me! I asked you nicely before you did not listen. Get your hands off me! Get your hands off me! Get your hands off me!
In the car.
No, I'm not going! No! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Do not touch me! No! I'm not going! I'm not going with you! Stop! 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 I'm not going with you!
Please move your legs, Sophia.
Ow! Stop! Don't touch me! Do not put your hands on me! Do not put your hands on me!